Now I'm going to show you 5 simple, cute and quick hairstyles which can be created using a bunny headband. It's very flexible because it has a wire inside the fabric. A bunny headband can be made with various fabric patterns and designs, so it fits to most of the styles. Let's start! Place the headband around your head. If you want, put some of your bangs out of the hairband. Then, twist both ends together. Now, you can arrange the wire to make it look like a ribbon, bunny ears, a heart, and much more. Make 2 normal pigtails, then pull them closer to your face. Put the headband around your head and simply twist the ends together. Take your hair to the side of your head and part it in 3 equal streaks. Put the headband under the streaks with the 2 ends to the outer streaks. Then plait a normal braid. Twist the hairband around the braid end. Make a ponytail and twist the headband around the part where your hairband is until the bunny ears are not too long or short to twist them together. And twist the ponytail. Fix it with a bobby pin. Then twist the headband around the odango. I wish you a lot of fun trying out these hairstyles. See you in my next video.